Hey everyone, I know I don't usually make car repair videos, but in this instance I'm going to make an exception. There's just too much bad information out there on YouTube about this particular repair. This covers the 2008 to 2014 Subaru WRXs and Imprezas, and they have a problem with the clutch pedal, a big one. The brackets break, that's part of the problem. You can see a broken clutch pedal bracket right here. That weld there is broken, as well as a big old crack over on the other side of it where the pedal assembly was broken. But the reason these pedal assemblies break is the piece that they're supposed to bolt to that's part of the firewall. The spot welds on those pieces are defective and they come loose and cause issues like that you see right there. So moving along here, let's talk about the piece. Well, there's broken clutch spring. Here's the piece. Now that's supposed to be spot welded to the firewall, and in this instance it's fallen completely off. That's the area it needs to go. You just kind of line up the spot welds there, maybe tack it in place or whatever you need to do, and you're going to have to drill those spot welds out and replace them with bolts. That's how we do it here. I don't want to be welding in an interior. But I used quarter 20 bolts with flat washers and nylocks. There's the holes we had to drill down below. There's the ones up above. That's why the dash assembly has to come out. You'll never get to those up above and have a floppy bracket if you don't. Here you can see it bolted into place. That's effectively done now. That's bolted into place. You can put your pedal sled and your interior back together. You can see the bolts sticking through from the inside. That's how you complete the repair. If you're not going to take the time to do it right, don't do it at all, because it's just going to be a repeat failure for you, because you'll still have a floppy bracket up there, breaking your new clutch pedal bracket. And we see Donnie putting the interior back together.